people say if you put your phone in the fridge, it starts a party. I'm gonna go check it out. Okay, we're at the fridge. Okay, put it in here. Let's see. Make a party. Okay, let me check the recordings.